Alright, this is the elevator here at Boscov's in Exton, Pennsylvania. It is a Schindler HT. Very quiet chime. This actually used to be low-pitched. And judging by those air vents, I'd say this is a 321A. Interesting how it has a stop switch. You don't see that every day. No fire service. There's the interlock up there. $399. Yeah, this was installed in '99. Go up to 2. Oh, got a bit of a clunker. Ooh. Now let's get the machine room. It's on the second floor for some reason. Alright, it's downstairs, so now I'll call it back up. Epic motor. Alright, that's it.